Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the basics out of the way quickly. Update the app and confirm your activity status is enabled so Instagram can show presence. Once done, open the direct messages inbox and locate the person's thread or search their username. Message them or ensure you follow them, because Instagram only shows active now to people you follow or have messaged. This first step makes presence visible. Do it now so the platform can reveal online status. Next, scan the chat list and the person's profile for presence indicators, a green dot or the words active now beside their name. Once you've messaged or followed them, Instagram updates these indicators in the chat and profile view. Make sure you're viewing the account from your own logged-in profile, because public browsing won't show activity. If you don't see anything, double-check that you haven't been blocked or that they didn't disable their activity status. Those will hide indicators. Finally, complete the check by prompting the person to send a quick message. Once they message you, activity becomes visible immediately. If indicators still fail to appear, make sure your connection and app permissions are working and verify you're not blocked. Remember why this works. Instagram restricts online visibility to accounts with a follow or direct message relationship, so mutual follow or an existing DM is the only reliable way to see active now. If problems persist, ask them to toggle activity status on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.